Hello, officer. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. How can I help you today?
I'd like to report a theft that happened last night. Some items were stolen from my apartment.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you please tell me exactly what happened?
Sure. I came home around 8:30 p.m. yesterday, and I noticed that my front door was slightly open. When I went inside, I saw that several items were missing.
I see. Did you notice any signs of forced entry?
Yes, the lock on the door seems to have been tampered with. There are scratches around the keyhole, like someone tried to pick it.
Okay. Can you tell me what exactly was stolen?
Yes, my laptop, which is a MacBook Pro, my wallet, and some jewelry, mainly my watch and a bracelet. My wallet contained my ID cards, credit cards, and some cash.
Thank you. Were there any other valuables missing?
No, I think that's it. I checked the rest of the apartment and everything else seems untouched.
All right. Can you describe your laptop and the jewelry in more detail?
The laptop is a silver MacBook Pro, 16-inch, with a black sticker on the top. My watch is a gold-colored Michael Kors with a leather strap, and the bracelet is a thin silver chain with small charms.
Got it. And your wallet?
It's a black leather wallet. It had my driver's license, 2 credit cards, and about $50 in cash.
Thank you for the details. Can you tell me approximately when you last saw these items?
I was home around 6 p.m. yesterday, and everything was fine then. I stepped out for about 30 minutes to get groceries, and when I came back around 8:30 p.m., I noticed the door open.
That helps us narrow down the time frame. Did you notice anyone suspicious around your building recently?
Not really. I saw someone loitering near the parking lot 2 days ago, but I didn't think much of it at the time.
All right. Do you have any security cameras in your apartment or building?
Yes, there's a security camera in the hallway outside my apartment door, and my neighbor has cameras as well.
That's very helpful. We'll review the footage. Can you provide access to the video from your camera?
Yes, I can. I have the footage saved from last night.
Excellent. Did you notice if anything else in the apartment was disturbed, like drawers or cabinets?
Yes, the drawer in my bedroom was open, and some small items like pens and papers were scattered, but nothing important was missing.
Okay. Did you find any evidence left behind, like footprints or fingerprints?
I didn't touch anything, but I did see some muddy footprints near the entrance.
Good. We'll have the forensic team check for fingerprints and other evidence. Do you know if the thief left any items behind?
No, nothing was left behind.
Understood. Can you provide your full name, address, and contact number for the report?
Yes, my name is Jane Smith. I live at 245 Maple Street, apartment 3B, Springfield, and my phone number is 555-789-1234.
Thank you, Ms. Smith. I'll file this report officially. Have you called your credit card company and bank about the stolen cards?
Not yet. I wanted to make the police report first.
That's fine. You should contact them as soon as possible to prevent unauthorized transactions. We can also provide a copy of the police report for your bank or insurance.
That would be very helpful.
Did you notice if any neighbors saw anything unusual or heard suspicious noises?
My neighbor, Mr. Thompson, said he heard some loud thumping around 8:15 p.m., but he didn't see anyone.
That's useful. We may follow up with him for more details. Did you touch or move anything before the police arrived?
No, I left everything as it was.
Good. That helps preserve evidence. Did you happen to have any insurance for your apartment and belongings?
Yes, I have renter's insurance. They asked me to file a police report before submitting a claim.
Perfect. Once the report is filed, I can give you a signed copy for your insurance company.
Thank you. What happens next? Will someone come to investigate immediately?
Our officers will review the security footage, check the fingerprints, and canvass the area for any witnesses. If we find any leads, we may contact you for further information.
I see. How long does it usually take to investigate a burglary?
It depends on the evidence and leads, but the initial investigation usually starts the same day or the next day. We'll keep you updated throughout the process.
Okay. Will I get a case number?
Yes, I'll assign a case number now. Your case number is 2026-10245. Use this when contacting us for updates.
Great. Can I check the progress online?
Yes, you can use our online police portal to see updates and any new information. You'll need your case number and last name to log in.
That's very convenient. Should I provide any photos or serial numbers for the stolen items?
Yes, if you have photos or receipts for your laptop, jewelry, or other items, please provide them. It helps us track the items if they are recovered.
I have photos of my laptop and jewelry on my phone, and the serial number for the laptop is AB123XYZ456. Perfect. That will be very helpful. Can you also provide any receipts for the credit cards or jewelry purchases? I have receipts for the jewelry, yes. I'll bring them tomorrow. Excellent. Did you notice if anything else unusual happened in your building or neighborhood recently? Nothing significant, but there have been some reports of break-ins in nearby apartments over the last month. That is useful information. We'll coordinate with the neighborhood watch and patrol units. Thank you. How can I protect myself from future thefts? Consider installing stronger locks, motion sensors, and security cameras. Keep your doors and windows locked at all times and avoid leaving valuables in plain sight. I will definitely do that. Good. Once we have any updates on your case, we'll contact you by phone or email. If you remember anything else or find more evidence, please contact us immediately. I understand. Thank you so much for your help, officer. You're welcome, Miss Smith. I know this is stressful, but we'll do our best to investigate and recover your items. I really appreciate that. Goodbye. Goodbye. Stay safe. Good morning, officer. I'd like to report a crime that happened near my apartment last night.
Good morning. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me exactly what happened?
Yes, I was walking home from work around 10:15 p.m. and I noticed a man trying to break into my neighbor's car. He was using some tools to open the car doors. I see. Did you call 911 immediately? No, I was a little scared and hid behind a tree. I watched him for a few minutes and then I came to the station to report it. That's understandable. Can you describe the suspect for me? Yes, he was about 5'10" tall, wearing a black hoodie and blue jeans. He had a backpack, and I think he was wearing gloves. His hair looked dark, and he seemed to be in his 20s.
All right. Did you notice anything else, like distinguishing marks, tattoos, or scars?
I didn't see any tattoos or scars because it was dark, but he seemed slim and moved quickly.
Thank you. Do you know if he stole anything from the car?
I'm not sure. I saw him try the doors, but I didn't see him take anything because I left the area before he noticed me.
That's okay. Can you tell me the exact location of the incident?
Yes, it happened on Elm Street near the corner of 5th Avenue. The car was parked in front of building number 302.
Got it. Do you know the car's make, model, or color?
Yes, it was a red Toyota Corolla 2018 model with license plate number XYZ1234. Perfect. Did you see any other vehicles nearby that might be related to the suspect? No, I didn't notice any other cars, but there was a street light near the corner. All right. Did you happen to take any photos or video from your phone? No, I didn't. I was too scared to take out my phone. That's okay. Did anyone else see the suspect or the incident? Yes, there was a woman jogging past the street around the same time. I think she also saw him, but I don't know how to contact her. That's fine. We can canvass the area and see if she can provide additional information. Did you notice anything the suspect left behind? No, nothing. He ran away quickly when he realized I was watching. Understood. Can you provide your full name, address, and phone number for the report? Yes, my name is John Davis. I live at 415 Oak Street, Springfield. My phone number is 555-456-7890. Thank you, Mr. Davis. We'll file this report officially. Did you happen to see the direction in which he ran? Yes, he ran south towards Pine Avenue. Okay, that helps us narrow down the search area. Do you know if there were any previous similar incidents in your neighborhood? Yes, my neighbor mentioned that someone tried to break into cars in the area last month. All right, we'll check if there's a pattern. Did you notice if the suspect had any tools with him? Yes, he had a small crowbar and what looked like a lock-picking set. That's very useful information. Do you have any idea whether he was alone? I think so. I only saw him, but I can't be 100% sure. That's fine. Did you hear any voices or see anyone nearby? No, it was quiet, except for the traffic on the main street. All right. Do you want to provide a written statement as well? Yes, I can do that. Great. Please describe everything in your own words, including time, location, what you saw, and how the suspect looked. Okay, I'll do that. Once you finish, I'll assign a case number. Your case number will help you track the investigation. Thank you. By the way, can I check if the police will patrol the area more often now? Yes, we'll inform our neighborhood patrol unit about this incident. We increase police presence in areas with multiple reports of theft. That's good to know. Should I inform my neighbors? Yes, definitely. Tell them to lock their cars, install alarms if possible, and report any suspicious activity immediately. Okay, what happens after I file this report? Our officers will investigate. We may review nearby security cameras, interview other witnesses, and try to identify the suspect. If we get leads, we'll contact you. Will I get updates on the case? Yes, you can call our station or check online using your case number and last name. Perfect. Should I provide my email too? Yes, that will help us send you updates more quickly. My email is john.davis@email.com. Thank you. That's very helpful. Do you want to discuss safety tips for the neighborhood? Yes, please. Always lock your cars and doors, keep valuables out of sight, install motion sensors or cameras if possible, and report any suspicious activity immediately. Community watch groups are also very effective. I'll make sure to do that. Should I take any precautions when walking home at night? Yes. Walk in well-lit areas, avoid shortcuts through dark alleys, and stay aware of your surroundings. If you feel unsafe, call 911 immediately. Thank you for the advice. You're welcome. Lastly, if you find anything suspicious or remember any new details about the suspect, contact us right away. I will. Thank you so much, officer, for your help. You're welcome, Mr. Davis. Filing a detailed report is very important. Stay safe. I will. Goodbye. Goodbye.